Setting up the MyMathLab program. Once you complete the registration process, you're now ready to use the MyMathLab program. Open the Course Compass website and click on the Login button under the Students category. Enter the login and password you chose during the registration process. You should have received an email from the site containing your login and password. Please hold on to this information for future reference if necessary. You will notice during this training video that my computer moves much slower. It is because of the taping, so please be patient as we move through the process. As you can see, the MyMathLab program looks very similar to Blackboard. This program is powered by the Blackboard interface. Therefore, it should be easy for you to use. You will enter the course by clicking on the course name under the Courses category. Here I am entering the Statistics course, but if you are taking the College Algebra class, this informational video contains the same information. To begin using the features on this site, I will need to install the plugins and players needed to view and interact with the multimedia content. I will also need to run the installation wizard before completing any homework, labs, tests, or practice exercises in the program. You will notice that the program opens on the announcement page similar to your Blackboard course. You will find a link on the announcement page called MyMathLab Installation Wizard. And you will also find an Installation Wizard button among the navigation buttons on the left-hand side. To begin, click on the link to the Installation Wizard. The Installation Wizard will open in a new window. This installation should take about 5 minutes on a fast connection or up to 20 minutes on a dial-up. But that's okay. You will only need to do the download one time for each computer that you use for your coursework. Note, most of the open labs on campus already have this program installed on the computers. Once the installation wizard opens, begin by reviewing the required system requirements on the first page. Once you have read this information, click on the Next button to continue. There are 4 available plugins for this program. Math Excel Player, which is required, Java Run, which is required. Without these two, you will be unable to view the problems generated by the program. You can also download the TestGen plugins and multimedia plugins if you so choose. You can see my computer already has the MyMathLab player installed. It says it's properly installed. So I'm going to continue to click Next. The computer checked and it noticed that I do not have the most up-to-date version of Math Excel Player. So I'm going to install now, similar to the way you will when you run the installation wizard. Depending on your internet provider, it may take a while for this to happen or it may happen very quickly. So we're going to continue to download Math Excel Player on our computer. Almost there. Do you want to install the software? Yes, install. The Math Excel Player version 4.6.2.0 is properly installed on the computer. The installation was successful. Click Next to continue. So just continue through the process, reading the different instructions as you go. You may already have some of the programs on your computer, especially when you get to the media plugins. The next is the Java runtime environment. It asks me, do you see Java version number 1.4.1 below? Yes, I do. Therefore, I can continue to the next step in the process because I already have the program on my computer. If you do not, then you will install it similarly to the way you installed the first plugin. Next, it gives me an opportunity to install the Test Generator plugin. You will not be posting any of your own tests, so you do not really need to install the TestGen plugin. If I click Next, I have several options to play the multimedia activities that are available on my website. Many of these I already have installed on my computer. The QuickTime Player and the Adobe Reader. You can continue through the process and download any program you choose. Please remember, however, only the first two programs are necessary, and you only need to do this process once on. Have to do it on a computer. But once you have done it one time for each computer you choose to use, that should be sufficient. Alright, if I just continue through, okay. Once I finish all my plugins, I can close out the installation wizard, whether it reaches the end or not. I have what I need. See, I'm having issues here. Alright, so I can go back to my website. Now, I'm back to the home page. Now that I have everything installed, I am ready to use the program. If you have any problems, please contact the Pearson Product Support System, or you can call me. I may not be able to talk you through the computer issues, but I can at least lead you to where you need to go. Good luck in the course.